Before buying a brake bleeder kit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit, priced at $19.99. What caught my eye was its promise to make brake bleeding a one-person job. If you want a kit that simplifies the process and speeds up fluid changes, this is worth a serious look. Now, this kit comes with a well-designed handheld vacuum pump that allows you to bleed each wheel in less than 5 minutes. This means no more waiting for someone else to pump the brakes while you struggle with the bleeder valve. The metal parts are made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring they won't rust over time. Plus, it includes a pressure gauge to give you real-time feedback, which is super helpful to avoid overpressurizing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The quick setup and ease of use mean you can maintain your brakes without the hassle of needing an extra pair of hands. With over 2,000 units sold just this month, people are clearly finding value in it. Now, some people complained about the quality of the hoses. Here's the thing though, while they could be sturdier, if you handle them with care, they should hold up just fine. For the price, it's still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-use tool for brake maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for something more heavy-duty or professional grade. Overall, it's a good value for money. Now, if the hoses being a bit flimsy concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pasico Brake Bleeder Bottle, available for $18.37. What grabbed my attention was the one-way valve feature. If you're after a straightforward way to collect brake fluid without backflow issues, this one's definitely worth considering. This kit includes a 1-liter bottle with a 24-inch hose that fits most bleeding screws, allowing for easy fluid collection. The one-way check valve is key here. It stops old fluid from re-entering the system and prevents air from sneaking in. It's made of high-rigidity plastic, which means it's built to last, and it can handle high temperatures too. Here's why this matters. A clean and efficient bleeding process reduces the chances of air contamination in your brake system, which can lead to spongy brakes. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many are finding it helpful. However, some users mentioned the hose could be a bit stiff, but honestly, that's not a deal breaker. If you're careful with it, you can still make it work effectively. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, no-frills solution for bleeding brakes. Skip this one if you're looking for a comprehensive kit with all the bells and whistles. The price is certainly reasonable for the quality offered. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a complete package.
Product number 3, Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit. Let's talk about the Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit, which you can grab for just $6.99. This one really caught my eye because of its complete set of tools for a very low price. If you want an affordable option to tackle your brake fluid issues, this might be your go-to. The kit includes multiple hoses and check valves, designed to prevent air and dirt from entering your braking system. It's compatible with most vehicles, making it a versatile choice. The materials used are durable, with aluminum valves that won't rust over time, and the flexible hoses adapt well to most setups. What's great about this kit is that it simplifies the bleeding process significantly. You'll find everything you need to get started without any complicated setups. With over 1,000 sold recently, people are clearly satisfied with its performance. However, some users pointed out that the instructions could be clearer. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're someone who prefers detailed guides, this might pose a bit of a challenge, but if you're comfortable figuring things out, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want a complete kit. Skip this one if you're not comfortable without detailed instructions. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more comprehensive, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 4, CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit. We have the CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit. I was impressed by its USA assembly and testing, which gives it a bit of an edge. If you want a kit that minimizes mess while bleeding brakes, you need to check this one out. What stands out is the built-in check valve that prevents dirty fluid from re-entering the system. This means you won't have to worry about closing the bleeder screw before releasing the pedal, which can often lead to spills. The 20-pound cap-mounted magnet keeps the 16-ounce catch bottle securely in place, so you can focus on the job without dealing with leaks. This matters for you because it reduces the cleanup time and makes the bleeding process smoother. With over 800 sold this past month, it seems like a lot of people appreciate these features. However, a few reviewers mentioned that the hose could be a bit short for larger vehicles.
Here's the thing, if you're working on a standard car, this shouldn't be a problem at all. It's still a fantastic tool for most applications. This is perfect for you if you want a clean and efficient way to bleed your brakes. Skip this one if you have a larger vehicle that might need longer hoses. Considering the quality, it's well worth the price. Now, if you're looking for a more powerful option, the next product is the one to watch.
Product number 5, Fatio Brake Fluid Bleeder Kit. We have the Fatio Brake Fluid Bleeder Kit, priced at $39.99. This one stood out to me because of its one-man operation capability. If you want to streamline your brake bleeding process and eliminate mess, this is a solid option. This kit features a pressure brake bleeding tool, allowing you to flush old fluid while drawing in new oil without any extra help. Its semi-transparent design lets you easily monitor fluid levels, which is a huge plus during the process. The upgraded adapters fit various vehicles, making it versatile enough for different needs. Here's why this matters. Having a one-man operation means you can save time and avoid the hassle of coordinating with someone else. Plus, with over 700 sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction among DIYers. However, some users found this setup a bit tricky at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. So if you're willing to invest a little time in learning, you'll reap the benefits. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining your braking system efficiently. Skip this one if you prefer a very straightforward kit with no learning curve. For the features it offers, it's a good investment.
We've seen the Orion Motor Tech for ease of use, Pesico for affordability, Ofband for a complete budget option, CalSpec tools for reduced mess, and Fatio for powerful performance. Each of these brake bleeder kits has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.